You like these robots, Will? Big robot guy.
I like Gundam.
Oh, that's the type of robot that you're into.
They're fun.
You know what? The actual robots that we eventually like have to coexist with, probably not Gundam robots.
Okay.
Unless it's those ones in Japan that are like doing repairs on
Oh yeah.
On the
subway.
Was it this? I thought was it a train track? It
train.
was, but it was out. It was like above.
Outdoors, yeah.
Yeah. It's like a monorail or something.
Uh-huh.
And it was a big Gundam-like thing that was doing the repairs, and you loved it.
Yeah, it looked so cool. It was like it had humanoid elements. It had, like, arms
absolutely.
and stuff.
Yeah, absolutely. But it was controlled by a human who was like in it, right?
Yes.
Like, what is that? Mech. It's like a mech.
Yeah.
Pretty much. A lot of people didn't see this thing. That's an actual thing out there. Okay, never mind. There's not a person in it. Oh, there is a person in it. Or is he nearby?
He's nearby. He's wearing goggles.
Okay, he's nearby.
You know?
Just doing the repairs. Yeah. Your first robot is probably not going to look quite like this, Will. I hate to tell you, man.
No? It's not going to have guns and stuff?
No.
All right. Fine.
I mean, first of all, it's probably going to be one that's on 4 legs, kind of like the Spot type thing, most likely, but maybe you'll even get the humanoid one. Xiaomi has shown off a new CyberOne robot. It's carrying a flower around.
Okay.
And don't ask me.
Very sweet.
Oh my God, man. These type robots, like it's an incredible feat of engineering. All the actuators. And if you ever see these things being built, right?
Yeah.
But at the moment, they're kind of comical. You got to admit, it's kind of comical. And just you scroll down and click the video and the little tiny steps this thing's taking. Click this video right here. And they're, woo! And it's just like, they're always walking like that right now.
Yeah.
Tiny little safe steps. I mean, what?
Not humanoid at all.
Tiny little feet, tiny little steps. And then I'm watching this presentation. I'm like, well, that's just a guy in the back with a microphone doing the voice. Like,
Yeah.
you know, it's all very responsive. And
This robot has childbearing hips. This one. It's very wide.
the official specs is 114 pounds and 5'8" tall. Top speed of 3.6 kilometers an hour, or 2.2 miles per hour. With mitten-like hands that can open and close. Definitely no fingers there. So this was the first video. Like, as part of their presentation, they were talking about the Mix Fold 2, which is a device we thought looked pretty cool on its own. But then they're like, let's get a little robot going as well, because the people, they love to see the robot, and we're a tech company, and I'm going to take a selfie with the robot, which is essentially what happened here.
The posing of the robot. What do you think about that?
Well, I don't know. Well, yeah, it is kind of a weird pose. I don't know what that pose. I think it's fun. I think it's just trying to be fun.
Okay.
It's trying to be a fun
Completely
pose.
frozen there.
Not a lot of expression on the face, but definitely a lot of mitten hand going on. Anyway, there's another video that they posted as well. Meet our friend CyberOne, which is equally intriguing. In this one, he falls down a lot. Whatever. It falls down a lot. And what's funny about that is I don't think this is one of those robots that can actually get itself up very easily. I don't know, but they don't show that part of the process.
Oh.
So he falls down, face first, and then he just back up. You got to have some questions about that, don't you, Will?
Yeah. What is he? Levitating?
He keeps falling down.
You keep calling him a he.
Well, I don't know.
Like
it's a humanoid, right? It's hard not to apply human characteristics, but definitely it.
It's getting dirtier as well.
It's getting dirty. It keeps falling, but look how small this is. It's going to take forever. Look at the speed. The steps are the tiniest steps. This is CG now. And then it fell again. And keeps getting back up. But
so is it like some sort of symbolic thing It's
Yeah, you're right.
some sort of endurance,
Well, it's just
pushing the limits.
Yeah, they're not really trying to sell you this thing. It's like a car
Oh
maker
no, there's a log.
with an F1 car or whatever. They're trying to say, hey, this is what we can do. You're not going to buy it, but we can do this. But then in that case, I'm like,
They're flexing.
I guess it's some type of flex. It also looks like the Tesla bot that was shown off with the black
Sure.
upper portion and the visor, the glossy black visor, but then the white colored body. I don't know. Everybody wants to showcase their capabilities here, and you're not going to buy this thing. Oh, did he squish the ant or step over it?
He stepped over
He
it.
stepped over the ant. Saw the ants. Great vision. They just got to get some bigger steps going on. Well,
Yeah.
anyway, so you're probably not going to see this one, but how about this next one?